Long ago, we used cave drawings to record knowledge. Scrolls made information portable. Copying books allowed knowledge to survive if the original document was stolen or destroyed. Now we rely on digital data, which we can take anywhere. Keeping that data safe is critical for anyone. That's why we have backups. Backups can protect us from losing data. But today, backup alone is no longer enough. Modern threats must be met with the modern cyber protection of Acronis True Image. Today, we need to protect our data across many devices. Acronis True Image meets that challenge easily and efficiently. It is one solution that can protect all of your devices on multiple platforms, including your social media content. It gives you all the tools to control and protect your data, from mirror imaging, to cloning an active system, to creating an all-in-one recovery drive, to file-level backups. Plus, a subscription to Acronis True Image unlocks the power of the cloud to keep backups securely off-site in case a disaster destroys your local copies, while you gain anywhere access to your data. It also ensures only you can access and control your data. Acronis True Image is the only personal backup that includes an artificial intelligence-based anti-ransomware defense, which detects and stops attacks in real time and restores any damaged files. Acronis True Image, more than backup. It's easy, efficient, and secure cyber protection.